Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game on your device. And after you are taken into the homepage, you can start your match right away by pressing the start button. Now if you wish to change the voice language within the game, then for this press the menu button alongside the start menu. Then from here go into language and voice settings. And now you can choose your text as well as your audio language. Within the voice setting, you have the English and the Japanese audio. Go ahead and tap on whichever audio you wish to use. And once it is done, press the OK button to apply your changes. And now your chosen language has been applied to the in-game voice. You can now start playing with your chosen audio language. And if at any point you wish to change it once again, go back to language and voice settings from the menu, and you can once again choose your desired audio language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game audio language on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.